So, let's talk about Nextcloud, the open source collaborative cloud platform. Who I am? I'm Genma, I'm a French blogger, I'm a member of Framasoft, I'm a free software user since year 2003, I'm a Nextcloud user, and the co-founder of the Nextcloud Friends community. My job? I actually work for Atos as an open source evangelist. So, Nextcloud. Maybe you've heard about OnCloud. The original OnCloud developer, Frank Karliczek, forked OnCloud and created Nextcloud in year 2006. Differences to OnCloud: while Nextcloud was originally a fork of the OnCloud project, there are now many differences. While OnCloud offers an open source community edition, they also offer a proprietary enterprise edition with additional features and support subscription. Nextcloud instead use the same public code base for both free and paid users. Nextcloud popularity also appears to have overtaken that of OnCloud. A simple definition of Nextcloud can be a suite of client-server software for creating and using file hosting services. Nextcloud is free and open source, which means that everyone is allowed to install and operate it on their own private server devices. Nextcloud has several advantages, including a modern web interfaces, an easy-to-use mobile application, a large community of developers who enrich the core of Nextcloud, and the ecosystem of applications around Nextcloud. Nextcloud Architecture. The Nextcloud server is written in the PHP and JavaScript scripting languages. For remote access, it employs SabreDAV and open source WebDAV server. Nextcloud is designed to work with several database management systems, including SQLite, MariaDB, MySQL, Oracle Database, and PostgreSQL. Nextcloud Store. Since the software is modular, it can be extended with plugins to implement extra functionality. Developers can offer their extension to other users for installation via a manufactured operated platform. This platform communicates with the Nextcloud instances via an open protocol. The app stores contain over 200 extensions. With the help of this extension, many functionalities can be added. Nextcloud Store can be seen as a whole bunch of other applications to complement and enrich Nextcloud with thematic packages. Nextcloud clients. In order for desktop machines to synchronize files with their Nextcloud server, desktop clients are available for PCs running Windows, Mac OS X, or Linux. Mobile clients exist for iOS and Android devices. Files and other data, such as calendars, contacts, or bookmarks, can also be accessed, managed, and uploaded using a web browser without any additional software. Any updates to the file systems are pushed to all computers and mobile devices connected to a user account. Nextcloud Hub. Nextcloud Hub is the first completely integrated on-premises content collaboration platform on the market, ready for a new generation of users who expect seamless online collaboration capabilities out of the box. Nextcloud File, enterprise file sync and share. Nextcloud Files offer an on-premise universal file access and sync platform with powerful collaboration capabilities on desktop, mobile, and web interfaces. Nextcloud Talk, calls, chat, and web meetings. Nextcloud Talk delivers on-premise private audio-video conferencing and text chat through browser and mobile interfaces with integrated screen sharing and SIP integration. Nextcloud GroupWare, calendar, contacts, and email. Nextcloud GroupWare integrates calendar, contacts, email, and other productivity features to help teams get their work done faster, easier, and on your terms. Powerful search. Nextcloud includes a powerful full-text search engine capable of using Elasticsearch as backend. Its flexible plugin-based interface enables search capabilities beyond files and accommodates other backend solutions like Apache Solr. Nextcloud Online Office Editor. Two online Office suites from the browser that will allow you to edit the documents that are physically stored in the Nextcloud file space. First one is OnlyOffice. OnlyOffice integration in Nextcloud empowers your users to collaborate on Office documents with team members in real time. Compatibility with Microsoft Office formats means perfect document every time. OnlyOffice has the following features: Spreadsheets editor, organize and manage your data online in XLS, ODS, and CVS files with over 400 formulas and create colorful visualization. Presentation builder, express ideas in beautiful presentation store in PPTX on ODP or export to PDF full of charts, shapes, and images. Document writer, open, edit, and collaborate on Word, ODT, PDF, or HTML documents in real time with powerful formatting and layout capabilities. Full support for Microsoft format Office like DocX and PPTX is provided, as well as import and export of the open document format. Some screenshots: Spreadsheet editor, presentation builder, document writer. Collabora. Collabora is the overshoot. Collabora is a company that offers level 3 support for LibreOffice. It's one of the main contributors to LibreOffice. Collabora Online is a version of LibreOffice Online which has a long-term support, LTS, validated and signed security updates, and a service level agreements support. Collabora features are the following. You can create new documents based on LibreOffice Writer, Calc, Impress. You can do simultaneous and collaborative edition of the same document, track changes and version. Supported formats are the same than LibreOffice, open document format, or XML format. Some screenshots: Collabora Writer, Collabora Calc, Collabora Impress. Collabora versus OnlyOffice. Collabora is a visual representation of a server-hosted editor sent to your browser. The whole process runs on the server and is instantly shown within Collabora interfaces. OnlyOffice. In OnlyOffice, there are resources of a client that is rely on. The editor indeed works right in your browser and constantly exchanges its data with a server. Let's talk about security in Nextcloud. Compliant by design. Nextcloud products are designed with compliance in mind, providing extensive data policy enforcement, encryption, user management, and auditing capabilities. It's GDPR compliant. You have auditing capabilities and file access control. Protected sharing. For Nextcloud customers, securely exchanging data is the key. Nextcloud offers industry standard protection mechanism and adds innovative and unique capabilities like video verification. Secure Share Link. Nextcloud features industry-leading protection for file shares. Share password, expiration date, access rights, read-write sharing, hide download, secure view, hide file listing, file drop, file access control, video verification. Administrator can set defaults or enforce all these options. Security of data. You have a functionality of remote wipe. Remote wipe will work on systems not under management of the company. You can wipe a document from their devices when the collaboration has ended. Remote wipe can be used on a per-device basis by users on a per-user basis by the administrator. Ransomware protection. Nextcloud offering automated one-click ransomware recovery tools. Conclusion. Why Nextcloud? Because of control. Protect, control, and monitor data and communication across your company. Guarantee compliance with business and legal requirements. Keep your data on server you own at all times. Nothing leaks, not even metadata. Because of productivity, enable productivity across any platform, whether is in the office or on the road, to share, collaborate, and communicate across organizational boundaries. Nextcloud provides transparent access to data on any storage. Because of community, enjoy constant improvement for a thriving and transparent, entirely open source community development model, free of lock-ins or paywalls. Enjoy the benefits of enterprise supports when you need it. Go on nextcloud.com, try it, use it, adopt it. With Nextcloud, regain control. Nextcloud is a self-hosted productivity platform that keeps you in control.